ग्रेटर नोएडा के HIMT में एडवांस पेडोलॉजी इन हायर एजुकेशन विषय पर फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम का आज उद्घाटन किया गया। ये प्रोग्राम आज से 13 जुलाई तक चलेगा।
One by one, he wrote the chit and provided the solutions to the people over there in the gallery. And when he came across that chit where it was written donkey, Socrates, when he saw that particular word, he smiled. And in a burst of laughter, he said, "There is a gentleman in this gathering who unfortunately did not write down his problem. On the contrary, he has written his own name." So that particular man just fell in the feet of Socrates and said, "Sir, you are the greatest teacher of the world." He said, "No, I am not the greatest teacher of the world. Rather, you are the greatest learner of the world because you have been successful in understanding that what exactly I was trying to make you realize." Fine.
Group director Saab, he has been my guru for the past 25 years, and not only with respect to the technical front and the professional front, he has also taught me a lot about life. I like to thank Director Saab, Executive Director Saab, and all you gurus who are sitting here. And to be honest, I am really humbled today to be here, and I am really feeling nervous, and the nervousness is the same which I used to feel when during my engineering days we used to have a Viva scheduled, and before the Viva we used to go through all the books and all the practical solutions, but at the end, before the Viva, we knew that the guru sitting in front of you is going to throw a question at you which you would have not really thought about, and at the end of the day you have to tell stories. And that is what I thought, that since during our engineering days we used to tell stories, so it is best that I start with stories. So I thought that before I start with the story, what is the real scenario here? It is a strange day for me. I am sitting in front of so many gurus, and being a Shishya all my life, and respecting all the knowledge which I have gained from people like you. What is the reference I can draw between you and me? So sitting here and talking about advanced pedagogy in higher education is like that I am trying to teach the sun how to light up the sky. And being the moon, I feel that all the light I possess is only on account of gurus like you. So
HIMT Greater Noida. Today marks a significant day in our academic calendar as we gather to enhance our skills, share knowledge, and discuss innovative teaching methodologies that will shape the future of our students, faculty, and institutions. The role of educator in shaping the minds and future of young individuals cannot be overstated. As faculty members, you are the pillar of our institution, and your development directly impact the quality of education we provide. This faculty development program is designed to equip you with latest tools, techniques, and insights needed to excel in your roles. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, staying updated with the latest trend and practices in management education is crucial. This program will cover a wide array of topics, including the integration of technology in the classroom, innovative teaching methods, research skills, and much more.
To address the esteemed gathering at the Faculty Development Program on Advanced Pedagogy in Higher Education, organized by the Department of Management Studies at HIMT Greater Noida. In today's rapidly evolving the educational landscape, the role of pedagogy cannot be overstated. The methods were employed to impart knowledge and skills to our students are as critical as the content itself. As educators, we bear the responsibility of shaping the minds and futures of our students, and it is incumbent upon us to continually evolve and adapt our teaching methodologies to meet the demands of the modern world.
I tell you, they are not in front of these institutions because they are the hardworking people. They are giving training to a person who is just below the mark. Average student, they are preparing the good students out of this. So they must be given a big clapping for this. Please give a big hand to all these students.